Hello, good people. Welcome back to tingsnice.com. It's your girl Sha here from www.tingsnice.com. So I am here to bring you yet another vlog post that's, of course, carnival related. So before I get started, I wanted to just highlight a few things, like my shirt that I made myself and my earrings that I made myself. I'll be having an Instagram flash sale throughout the year, so just stand by, look on Instagram, follow me, go into my stories, and see what I'm working up in the design lab from time to time. Anyway, so carnival season is upon us. It's in full bloom. Carnivals have gone and there are carnivals to come, right? And so my job and what I try to do all the time is to prepare you as best as possible for that, and to also give you the information that you need. You have questions, especially if you're new to carnival, even if you're a vet, you have questions. And I'm going to try to, throughout my blogs to answer those things. So one of the questions that has come up is, do I really need a concierge service? So this article, this vlog post is all about concierge services and whether or not it's for you. So concierge services, when it comes to carnival, are individuals or organizations who basically are there to lend a helping hand at a cost, right? So they might be helping you to secure fete tickets. They might be helping you to secure lodging. They might be helping you to pick up your costume or your juve packages. They might hook you up with makeup artists. They could be providing services like bus services to a fete or to juve. So all of those things that concierge services are here for. But I want you to understand, like, aside from, maybe getting on a party bus, the other things are really think about whether you are unable or ill-equipped to secure those things yourself, or if it's something that you just want to attend. It's like, okay, are you going to miss out? Have you been there before? Are all your friends going? There's no other way for you to get a ticket. You can't go and find a band. Is this your way? You're willing to pay additional money to these individuals to get you into said fete, right? I am a different kind of person normally when it comes to most things. And when it comes to concierge services, my motto is, if I can't get the ticket myself, I don't need to be there. It's not that serious. I'll pass. However, I understand that it might be hard for some individuals to get their hands on certain tickets. I understand that certain fetes do have restrictions and levels and things you have to go through, kidneys you have to give up in order to get to certain fetes. And I also know that a lot of you are very busy. We're professionals, and there are some of you that have intense jobs that don't allow you to be in chat 24/7, that don't allow you to be in the know about certain things, or to just do what you want in your spare time, because you're probably trying to catch up on sleep. And then there are some of you who just don't feel like being bothered and would rather give your money to some person, some friend, or some concierge service to help you out and do those things for you. No judgments, regardless, or as the hood people say, irregardless. But anyway, I can only speak about my experience. I haven't had a bad experience with the concierge service, but of course, I haven't really used them. I think we used them one time, and that was Trinidad, maybe 2015, and I wasn't directly involved in the sale. But what I do know is I've heard horror stories. I've heard of how things go wrong. And what I need everybody to understand is that concierge services are run by people. And people make mistakes. People are not perfect, and things can, will, may go wrong. And the important thing to note is that, and what I really want you to take away from this is that regardless of what they may say, right? Regardless of what information they give you or how, strongly they believe in their business as they should, there are no guarantees, period. Unless that person is the promoter themselves, then there's no guarantee that you're going to get that ticket. And I know that there are some who put disclaimers out there like, this is what it is. There's no guarantee, yada, yada, yada. However, I'm still going to take your money. Fine. But I need you to be cautious in the way that you do that. You need to do your research in terms of which concierge services you are dealing with. You need to do your research, your inner research, and like, do I really need to do this? When it comes to tickets, you're not just going to be giving them money for that fete ticket. There's going to be a charge on top of that for their services. Like I've shared with you guys time and time again, when it comes to planning for Carnival, if you do things in proper timing, you're not going to have to rush to get people to do it for you, right? And so you want the best accommodations, but put the work in. And especially if you don't know the individuals, like it's hard you're trusting them with where you're staying, you're trusting them and giving them your money. And if things don't work out, you're trusting them to give it back. Right? So there's just a lot to that. And I really want everybody to be mindful of concierge services. But yeah, just think about it. It can be difficult. And I understand that people might be feeling a way that I'm doing this post, but I have to keep it real no matter what. There are individuals and organizations who do a great job, but just be prepared. While they may mean well, there are certain things that may be out of their control. Keep records, keep track of everything, keep track of every conversation, every email thread. In case something does go wrong, you have receipts. Additionally, and to benefit them, if you have a great experience with them, or if you don't have a great experience with them, I think it is important to express that. Go and share your comments about your experience so that other people can learn from that. But then if you're going on there and you're griping about something, then again, do it in a respectful way. If it's something that you really have an issue with, do the right thing when it comes to communicating negative thoughts. I kind of think that wraps up what I wanted to say. Again, the services are run by humans. Humans make mistakes. And even though they're in this business, it doesn't mean that you are guaranteed to get what you ask for. There could be bumps along the road, but you just need to be prepared for those things. So holla at your girl. Thank you once again for tuning in to www.tingznice.com. I'll be back with another Tingz Nice vlog post and article for you. Happy Carnival season to you. I'm looking forward to your thoughts below in the YouTube comment area. Thanks once again. I'ma holla.